Hello everyone again. Today we'll talk about the first step of installing assystITOM, which is downloading the package media. Now the first step that you have to do, I do recommend you to go to assystsystems.com/wiki. And that URL will show you the latest instructions for downloading the latest assystITOM version. Now if I choose Assist 11 as the latest version, in the left side I will see assystITOM. Then I will go to under the installation section, expand, go to installation guide. Then from the installation guide, go to prerequisites. Now first step, which is here, log on Axios CDN portal. Which is the https://downloads.assystsystems.com. Now the username and password, you can get it from Axios team. I have my username and password. As a customer, you can get your username password from your account manager, and Axios employee can get it from our service desk team. Now I will choose to continue with my account. Now once you log into the CDN portal, you will be able to see the available installation packages for you. Our consideration within this section about assystITOM. Now for the installation, if you can see here, assystITOM IT Operation Management, you will see two packages. The first one, plugins, we'll talk about it later in another session. The second package, which is the latest version, version 5.0.5001-7. This package, it has all the editions. As you know, if you see the previous slides or previous videos about assystITOM, ITOM has three different editions: Professional, Enterprise, Enterprise Plus. All of them you can install from the same installation file. Now we will wait until the installation finished. In that time we will see the other instructions, because there is another add-on files you have to download it to complete the installation package. Now, after we download it, we will put it in our installation in our server here. We will put it in E drive under Axios and media folder. We will put the installation here once it's finished. Now there is other installation. We will need MySQL community installer, so we can install it, download it from this URL. So I can go here and download MySQL. Now assystITOM database, it's compatible with MySQL only. The current version is compatible only with MySQL 5.7. Also we will need the connector for ODBC, so also we will go and download it. Now if you can see here for MySQL, the installation itself, it's straightforward. The download starts direct. For ODBC there is a page, it will ask you to log in, but we will not log in. Just no thanks, just start my download. Alright, this is MySQL connector. Alright, so after we finish the download for all packages, we put them under E drive, Axios Media. This is the main installation package, and this is the ODBC, and this is MySQL installer. Now we'll start with the main package. I do recommend after Windows 2016. Can go to properties. Sometimes it will, for security wise, it will lock some files inside the .exe. So there's checkbox here to unlock, then you can apply it. Otherwise you can go and extract all of them direct. Alright, now if you can see here, we have 4 folders: core, install, patches, AWL, and MySQL. Now if we return back to media, I will need the connector and the installer community. You have to take them inside the installation under core install, prerequisites, MySQL, then place them here. Now this is the first prerequisites for the installation. Now there is another prerequisites under the patches, plugins, Sapphire message queue. The prerequisites here, you can see readme. It will tell you that you need this file to be installed and this file to be installed, so you can take both of them and install it, download it, sorry. Now the second one for rapid message queue, can take it, and we don't need this one anymore. Alright, then download the second one. Alright, now we can take these files, rapid server and the OTP. So we'll take this file and this file, take them to Axios Media, installation, patches, plugins, Sapphire message queue, prerequisite, and place them here. Alright. So now the package is ready for the installation. Then we will stop here and we'll see you in the next session. Thank you.